Fried green chilies are delicious enough to pair up with all of your favorite meals. Let's make this with just 4 ingredients. For traditional and authentic taste, we are using mustard oil, but other oils can be used. Pour 1/4 cup of mustard oil into a small pan. Now add a small piece of bread into it. Cook until it is light brown in color on medium-low heat. This is the traditional way to prepare mustard oil for cooking. Skip this step if you're not using mustard oil. When you see the bread piece is dark, the first thing to do is to switch off the flame and remove the bread piece. Mustard oil is ready for cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. When it is light golden, add 1 cup of mild green chilies. If you like spicy, just add 2 small Thai chili slices. Mix it well. Now switch on the stove and set it for medium-low. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Stir 1 time in the middle. After 10 minutes, green chilies will be soft and ready to serve. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Enjoy delicious chili fry with your favorite vegetables, barbecue, or just eat with rice and naan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.